Hello, welcome to Item Pads. I am going to illustrate the use of the type menu. First thing we do is enter into a type. We'll look at some people and customers in particular. Here's our set of customers, 123 in the database. If we click once more, it brings up the type menu. We can see, if we click on display, we can see all of the various reports. We're currently looking as browse. We can look at it as list. As we click on each one of these, it brings up a preview. Let's look at browse again, and we can show that list also in the banner. We could look at our recent customers, of which there were two that we looked at recently, Joe Customer and Atelier Graphique. Let's look at all customers. If we go back to the display, there's many different reports. Pivot table is always a good one. We can click, see the pivot table on type, of which they're all the same type. So let's look by country, and we have the countries. We could look by salesperson, and we see the different salespersons. 6 people, 6 customers connected to salesperson 1165. If we go back to country, we can get metrics. We can click count, and then we'll see all of the different fields that we can get a sum of which there's only 2 numerics on this table. So we can get a sum by credit limit. We'll add that. And it's not doing it. Oh well. Well, for now, I'm not going to blow this demo. Click out. If we look at some of the other fields, we can see various frequencies. If we go back to browse, we can get frequencies by country. Then we see our countries. We could look at Finland, 3 customers, Denmark, 2 customers. If we click the number, we can get multiple. We can go into segments. So this will present a nice set of different fields and their segments. We could click Belgium and Canada and Denmark off. Then we could click on 1165, and these are the customers of salesperson 1165. What else is here? Let's go back into report. There's now, display. We could do roll-ups. We have a roll-up by state automatically. So we could see all of the customers for Massachusetts and all the customers for Pennsylvania. If we did it by country, we can see all of the customers for Germany and for Poland. Of course, if we click into any of these customers, it will display the customer, and won't do that either. Okay, well, we could click on Germany and see the customers there. Then we're seeing the customer now. If we click again, it'll show us. If we click up, and there's Mesner Shopping Network, that particular client. Well, that's a good intro for a type menu. See you in the next video. Ta-ta.